Shut up!
I was only doing my job, I beg.
Which job? You're an idiot! Say it!
I am idiot.
Say it! Keep quiet! The next time I will come to this house and you will try to stop me. You see this Namodin? It's not a toy. It's a real gun, baby. I will waste the bullet in your head. Did you get me? Did you hear me?
Thank you.
I said fool. You're an idiot! Keep quiet! And tell your Oga that he's a wicked man.
Exactly.
Say it!
He's a very wicked man.
Say it again! Say it again!
He's a very wicked man.
Say you're a move.
He's a
Say you are a move.
I am a move.
Say you are a move.
I am a move.
Say it loud. I didn't hear you.
I am a move.
Again.
I am a move. Mama, mommy, I don't go to get married again. I go let mechanic. I go let mechanic.
Papa, Mama, the only solution to this matter is for Brother Bruno to leave Betty for Zimako.
Are you out of your mind? Bruno already paid her bride price.
He should collect the bride price back now. Instead of fighting his only brother.
Shut your mouth. This matter is above you. And I suggest you just stay out of it.
My husband, what our daughter said is true. Yes, from everything our son Zimako told us, Bruno only betrayed him. So, let him return the bride price. We can help him get another woman for himself. For peace to reign.
Then, invite him. Talk to him. After all, his mother. I will not be part of this.
Mama, see, I don't like what Papa is doing. I don't just like it. What is all this? Mama, call him. Call him. I will help you and beg him. Please, just call him.
If your father is not going to be involved, there is no need there.
Mama, you are not helping matters. Call him. You are not helping matters too. Please.
Anwofia,
Yes, sir.
are you the one securing me or am I the one securing you?
Sir, Nami.
You're very stupid. Look at what they did to you. Look at what men did to you. Where is the man in you?
Sir, they carry gun now.
They carry gun also. It's better for me to come back here and meet you dead than meeting you in this condition. This is an insult on my person.
Sorry, sir.
My friend, remove this thing.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. This one.
Get back to your duty post, Tolo.
You, sir.
Now listen. Sir. On no account should anybody come into this compound without my approval, including my parents. I repeat, on no account should anybody step foot into this compound without my approval, including my parents.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, if you buy me gun, no. If you buy me gun. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Don't buy again, sir. Sorry, sir. Don't buy again, sir. Hey, God. I know they drink it. Make I go le mechanic. By this time I for them my workshop. I worry, sir. I know they drink it. Sorry, sir.
things. It's obvious that that boy kidnapped my wife. I don't need a switcher to tell me this.
Have you called your brother to find out if he has a hand in your wife's disappearance?
Me? Call that noisemaker.
Hey.
I will not. I will never do such.
Nah, take it easy, Kwano.
Okay, I'm easy.
Yeah? Take it easy, Walunwayo.
No, don't tell me to take it easy. Your son kidnapped my wife and you're telling me to take it easy. No. Call him. Tell him I'm giving him 24 hours to release my wife. Else, he will see the other side of me.
Hey!
You go inside.
Now why you no biko no?
What kind of problem? Why would Zimako do with him?
I am tired though. What is all this? Eh? But what if he's not the one?
What kind of a question is that? Who else is fighting over the woman with him if not Zimako? Ifoma, please get my phone.
Okay, Papa. Okay.
Hello, boss. Yes, sir. All correct, sir. Of course. Yes, ma'am. She's actually here. Yes. All protocol duly observed. Yes. Exactly, ma'am. Now you should trust me. You know what I can do. I'll always deliver. Sure. Yes, ma'am. Okay. Well. All right, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am. All right. Yes. Shut up. Shut up. Listen. You have to cooperate with me, okay? Cooperate with me. That's you want to see the daylight. Okay? Do you understand? He's taking a joke with me. I wouldn't hesitate to pull this trigger in here. So, are you okay? Huh? I know you're okay. Come on, sit up, alright? Yeah. Alright. Okay. I'll see you when I see you.
Hello? What? No. Papa, listen to me first. Listen. Tell that idiot that if anything should happen to my Betty, I swear with my life, I will delete him from the surface of this life. Nonsense! Useless idiots! He can fake Betty's disappearance, but he cannot fool me. Yes. Tell him I said he should rot in jail. Useless idiots. Nonsense! Papa, I hope you're listening to me, right? Tell him I said so. He should rot in jail. Nonsense. Just imagine.
So,
Did you later see me as you did yesterday?
huh? When I went.
Papa! Mama!
Hey!
Oh, Gina,
Have
what
you
is
heard the
this,
latest
my son?
news?
Gina, what happened?
Betty just went missing. What? Was she kidnapped or what?
It's again.
Papa, on my way to the house, I noticed people were just gathered in Betty's place. They were consoling Betty's mother. I was surprised. I said, what happened? Why are people consoling this one? I was informed that Betty went missing since yesterday. They've not set their eyes on their daughter. Was she kidnapped or what? But you go and ask them that one. I'm giving you latest news. You're asking me a question if she was kidnapped. Hey!
Are you sure what you're saying? Hey, the question.
Why would he not be sure?
Hey!
Listen. You know I told this woman. I said the way you're going about this bride price, that has nothing to do with the woman. You're going against the gods.
Hey!
Because it's not our constitution or custom. And she did not want to listen to me. You can see the repercussion of what she did. The gods has wicked.
Hey!
They want to punish her now.
Chimo.
Papa.
Betty, kwa
Hey!
Yeah!
Hey! Who want to play with the gods?
No, we don't need to keep quiet over this issue. Before our sons will start fighting.
What else do you want me to do? I have summoned them for a meeting. Both of them refuse to honor it.
Then
What
keep
should
on
I do?
calling
Tell me.
them. Keep on calling them. You are the man of the house. Are you not the father again? Keep on calling them. Eh? Because we need to go and make inquiries concerning Betty's disappearance and who is behind it.
What inquiries are you talking about?
Mama, where is Bruno?
No.
Where is Bruno? Don't tell me to sit down. Call him to come back so that we can settle this. Call him to come back.
Can't you sit down and listen to you?
I'm not sitting down. Tell him to come back. Call him to come back for no. Call him to come back. We must settle this once and for all. Tell him to calm down. Calm down well. Tell him to come back.
He's not my son. He's not my son.
Bruno! Open this gate! Who is that? Bruno, open this gate! Open the gate! Can you open this gate? See, if I meet you inside here, if I meet you here. Open this gate! Open this gate! Bruno, open this gate! Bruno! I know you're in there, Bruno! Come out! Come and face me, you coward! Bruno! I know you're in there! If you know you're not Bruno, come out and face me! Are you running? Wait, come out! Wait! Open this gate! Open this gate! Open this gate, man! Idiot! Open the gate! Open the gate! Open the gate! Open the gate! Wait for what? Idiot like you! Come on, open the gate!
Hello, DPO. Good evening, my brother. How work now? Family income? Please, there's a situation here. Yes, in my house. Some hoodlums, they are trying to force themselves into my compound illegally. I'm telling you. They've been out there banging on my gate trying to jump in. I don't have a licensed gun. I would have followed up. Please, I need your men here as fast as possible. Yes, my house. Papa, stop calling me. Stop calling me. Do the needful as an elder. Tell Zimako to release my wife. Period. I am not coming to that village. I am not coming. Let Zimako release my wife. Period. Hello? Hello? Hello?
What did he say?
He said he's not coming back.
Eh? That he's not coming back? That means we need to visit me at the city.
What about his brother? Will he accept to come with us?
I will talk to him.
Well, you can talk to him. I don't know if he will accept, but try.
I will talk to him.
Wait, he just played. Now.
You will get mind to call police for me.
Babe, I go see we see those men fast too. That's why they for catch us. Hey.
This one don't pass, be careful. You know I've been the take and small. But you don't go another level. The beat when start, I could finish him.
That is exactly be for those carriers like that they go. I go say we sharp.
I go come out and tanta for this town. If I know be Bibian, this thing will go happen. No worry, I'll deal with you. My next plan I won't take so. Because now the only way right now.
What do you want to?
Don't notice say you get contact for police back. Oh man cause. Gapiam. Police we will go carry go backyard, everything go sort.
This guy if he say he's smart.
It is an office worker they do, now shower they do. I shall no get shame. Before I come do this work, I don't drop my shame, throw am for my village, come this town.
Hey.
They don't set. We can make this work first. We won't go.
This is not
Hey, Alpha.
we used to know. If things are going this is not love. This is not love. We used to know. We are brothers.
Now you're here. I was knocking at your door. I never knew you were here. Eh?
Has he come?
No. But there is something important I want us to discuss.
There's what, Mama? Mama, there's what? The only thing I want to hear now is that Bruno has accepted to leave my wife alone. Yes! That is what I want to hear now. What is but? But, Gina?
Now calm down, Okwano.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down.
Every time.
Don't tell me to calm down, Mama. Let him leave my woman alone. Telling me to calm down.
I promise you we're going to settle this thing amicably. Oh? But
Mama,
you have to go to the city to go and see him.
listen to me, Mama. What I want to ask you now, has he accepted to leave my wife for me? Yes or no?
Yes.
Good.
But we have to go to the city to go and meet him.
Me?
Yes.
Go to the city and meet him. Go Jiburu again.
So that we will sort things out.
Go Jiburu Tinubu kon go Jiburu Chuku. Mama, you're disrespecting me. I don't like it. For what? Why will I go to the city and see Bruno?
Hey,
For what?
He's still your elder brother.
Don't tell me that. Let him come back to the village so that we can settle this in here.
What is wrong with you?
Mama, I don't want to change it for you. You're disrespect. Mama, stop Rumo. I should go to the city and see Bruno. Your elder brother. I know if your elder brother my foot. Nonsense.
You shut up! I said, shut up! Behave yourself. Okay? Good.
When are we making the phone call?
The instruction is tomorrow. Then we'll give 3 days. After which we buy her. Should they fail to give us the response that we need?
In that case, let me go and get her food.
No, she'll be alive for to just okay. So good. You need to be safe. Always watch your back.
You too, Mama.
What is it? What is it? Okay, fine. You want to say something, huh? Huh? Now listen and listen good. You are not by any means permitted to say a word here. Okay? We call the shot here. Do you understand me? You need to behave yourself. Behave yourself. Be a baby girl, okay?
Good afternoon, sir.
What is it?
Sir, it gets one man and one woman. They're there outside the gate. They said they be your parents.
Let them in.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
They come on. Hey. Hello. How are you? How are you?
What is it now? What is it? What is it?
Hey. So they never chained this boy. They never put him for chain. Thank God I don't die. Oga say make I allow only the mother and the father. Oga will kill me today, oh. Hey, make Oga try and settle this boy. Make it try settle her. Make it beat. What all this nonsense end now? Maybe na the settlement now they come. Na the settlement I carry them come. Oga papa from village, Oga. Na settlement.
I've not been seeing you. It's ringing, but this man is not taking his calls. Eh? This is the 5th time. The 5th time I've placed call across and he's not picking up. Shut up.
Give him some time. Don't worry, just give him some time. Maybe the idiot is not with his phone.
Oh, okay. 10 minutes. I am going to give 10 minutes. After which I will call boss and give him the current report of this situation.
No, don't call boss yet. The idiot will definitely call back because this person is not his wife.
10 minutes. I will give 10 minutes. After which I will call boss and give him the report of this situation here.
Set his choke.
How's my mother?
It's fine. It's going to be fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Please take care of her for me, please. Mommy, Mommy, sorry, no? Sorry. This is my brother's fault. I don't know. Mommy, sorry. Please, where's my brother and my father?
They went to meet doctor in office.
Okay, they are with the doctor?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Please take care of her for me. I don't want anything to happen to my mother, please, okay?
Okay, sir.
Please, Please. Mommy. Mommy, sorry. Oh, sorry. Yes. Is the drip working?
Yes, sir.
Oh, please. Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Talk to your husband.
I'm hurt. Please come to my rescue.
Hello, young man. Shut up. I believe you can hear me. Now listen and listen good. You have 3 days. 3 days to pay the sum of 3 billion naira. Otherwise, you lose your wife. Hey, young man, listen and listen very good. Listen, we are here for business, okay? 3 days. 3 days to pay the sum of 3 billion naira. If you fail to do so, you are not just going to lose your wife, but your entire family, including yourself. Yes! We will give you the location where to drop the money. And let me warn you. Do not involve the police. Do not involve the police. Because if you do, then just get ready to die. Yes! Good boy. Just cooperate with us.
Ikenga, what is this rumor everywhere that your son and his friends, Obinna, are going about stealing in the community? Obinna Mwagi,
my Obinna?
Yes.
Where did you get such information from?
My wife told me. She said that the son of Maruka, Obinna, is the one spreading the rumor everywhere.
Ugonna?
Yes, Ugonna.
Maruka's son?
Ugonna.
Wait, excuse me. Ugonna is spreading the news that my son and his friends are stealing everywhere. This young boy is accusing my son wrongly. It's a false information. When did Ugonna see my son stealing? If Obinna gets to hear this, Ugonna will be a dead person and my hand will not be there. Because I know what my son can do.
Don't say I told you. But I advise you to ask your son first.
Iloka, my son Obinna could be so stubborn. That is natural. But the one I am not sure of is the one of stealing. Obinna is not a criminal, but he's stubborn. Do you understand me? So anywhere, anytime, I can stand for him that he does not steal.
I don't know. You may be right. I don't even know that he's in the house.
I overheard your conversations, loud and clear. As for Obinna, he will hear from me. Continue your conversation.
No. I didn't know.
Hey, he has added. Ugonna is dead now. Already he is dead. Because what Obinna will do to Ugonna. Hey!
Babe, what's up? Babe, you never give me updates. What's the happen?
Everything there now, what's happening?
Tell me now, what did they talk about that matter?
I see the press, I'm on it. The bastard go pay. If you no pay, wife go buy.
Go pay. So how much are we talking about here?
3 billion.
3 billion?
Hi!
Baby,
why you shot?
Big money now. We don't rich be that.
I hear now. You don't know say that money when I borrow am, if Nana I borrow na big money.
Aye! Omo. Just dey calculate what is this money do now. That money big oh.
Ashawo, you never see money, you don't dey calculate what you go use and build.
Omo, you na bad girl. I throw cap for you.
My girl.
I just dey calculate that money. What I go use and buy?
You go use and buy house for Banana Island.
You know the matter now. You know, say we be big girl. We suppose
the buy close the video. Close the video own.
We go dey package ourselves well. My God! Bad girl.
I go dey make Bruno. I go make am so tey go lose everything we get. You no go know. Ntaya, mfoya.
I go dey follow your footstep now. I go dey follow your footstep now.
Now what you suppose to do because you no get sense.
No, I go talk I no get sense.
You get sense before you dey like this.
I get sense, but I go dey follow your footstep now because 3 billion. Hi!
I go still buy my wife joy.
Bad girl.
I will collect the money, buy your wife, still chop and finish.
I will believe you. You're not a bad girl. My guy.
You suppose carry pen and paper they learn from me.
My guy. You don't so billionaire like that.
Let me help you hold it. Don't give me.
Come here. Stand this.
Obinna, what's up? Why are you blocking my way? You've been the one spreading the good news around the village, Abi. You don't have any other job than spread rumors around the village. Nice one. Very nice.
What news are you talking about?
Are you asking me a question?
Are you asking
Wait.
us a question?
Come on, shut up! Shut up with your mouth with the like menstruation.
So, one.
You go to tell people say, say now we be the criminals waiting for this village, Akwaya. Go to report our trace, they will be thief for this village. Akwaya? No be am. Oh yeah, kneel down.
Get on your knees. Get down. Kneel down. Get on your knees. Kneel down. Kneel down. Kneel down. Not hands up.
Hands up. Hands up.
Obinna, stop hitting me now. Why are you hitting me?
Wait, are you calling Obinna?
Are you mad?
Carry this. Wait, carry this. Confusion man, Obinna. Come on. Listen. Carry your hands up. Carry. Okay. Akwaya. You go to tell people say we be criminals. Give me that. Big pin also. Come on, big pin. You want run?
Wrong go. We are in the one.
You want run? See. Run right there here.
No, I'm not running, no.
Okay. In fact,
Let's
look.
bundle inside.
Carry. Listen. Hold it.
I move.
Oh yeah. Stand up. Follow me.
looking for you. The man you got married to is who I'm looking for. But for me to get what I want, you will be here. I'm going to use you to get all I spent on him.
Look, please, I beg you in the name of God. I have nothing to do with whatever you both had in the past, okay? I know nothing about it. I don't know about the story. Please, I beg you, just let me out of this place. Because I beg you, I don't want to die. Please.
You know, if you want to get free, pray he pays. But if you don't, you die.
Please, I beg you to just...
Hey, I shut her mouth.
Hey! Shh! No more word from you. Dead and forgotten. Set his choke.
I want to talk to both of you. You heard what the doctor said concerning your mother's health. See, I am not going to beg you to stop fighting. I'm not going to beg you to bury the hatchet. So if you want to continue and kill your mother, you can as well continue with your feud. I am not going to bother the two of you.
You should be telling that to this mad dog.
Listen, Papa. It is not my fault, though. Tell him to release my wife from me so that there will be peace. Period.
Don't worry. Once I get to the city, I will expose you.
Okay, you cannot do anything. And what do you mean, Moro?
You have started again. You have started again.
Don't tell me that.
Maybe I'll be your victim.
Bruno, you cannot do anything. And what do you mean, what I saw?
All you do is shout from morning till night. In Aruna, I beg you.
Okay, I saw you run, nigga. If you want it true, I'll give it to you. Release my wife.
Listen, the earlier you tell your boys to release my wife, the better for all of us. Because, I will not pay shishi to any kidnapper. I will not pay 1 naira to any kidnapper. Yes, and my wife will come out. Bruno, pick your call.
Okay.
Hello? Yeah, so you are behind this. Vivian. So you are behind my wife's kidnap. Was it Chalum?
Who is that idiot? Tell them to release my wife for me. Tell them to release my wife for me. Enough is enough.
Where is he going?
Bruno! Bruno! Tell them to release my wife for me.
Help! Somebody help! Help! Somebody help! Help! Help!
Ugonna, who did this to you?
Please untie me.
Huh? Ugonna.
Untie me first. They say if I mention their name, they will kill me. Please untie me.
Well, why? Take it easy. Let me Let's go before they come after us. I am sure Obin and Co has done this. Those boys are becoming something else in this village.
I have not seen nor heard from Zim for a very long time. Do you people know his whereabouts?
We were worried too. Just yesterday, a letter came from the priest. Zimako wrote it himself to inform us that he had joined the seminary and that he wants to become a priest.
Yes.
Zimako has joined seminary school to become a priest. When you walk on a father?
According to him, he said he had decided to give his life as a sacrifice to God's vineyard. He also asked that we remember him in our prayers.
This is unbelievable.
If it is the will of God, who are we to judge?
Who am I to question the will of God? No, Zimbabwe. At least I'm not realized because we now know his whereabouts. Nagazia. Hey. Are you in your office? Please, I'm coming. I'm on my way. I have a case at hand, a kidnap case. You see me in your office in the next 40 minutes. I'm coming from my village. Alright. We have discovered who kidnapped Betty. My brother's ex.
What?
Yeah. And she is demanded for 3 billion as ransom.
3 billion for what?
She said she supported my brother when he traveled, and that my brother promised to marry her and came back to marry Betty. Are you listening? Now Betty is suffering from Iwana Amarokosi.
Oh my God. So what are you guys doing concerning it? She should be tracked immediately.
No. My brother should not do that. It is his ex that we're talking about.
And it's your woman we are talking about here. You should call your brother and know what he's doing concerning this issue.
Bro, if anything happens to my woman, I will hold him responsible. That's it.
Area Alpha. You see the post of Harry? You know what goes up? If by this time tomorrow he doesn't comply, carry the woman go borrow pit kill him.
No waste time.
Okay. Alright, young lady. Get up, let's go. I'm taking you out. Let's take her to the car immediately. Time no day. Shut up! My friend, will you get up? Let's go! Leave the car first. Just leave the car. Will you shut up? Hello? Yes, we are ready. Ready to move on now. Yes. Ready. Good to go. Over. Let's take out there. My friend, will you get up? Get up!
Please, I beg you, please don't kill me.
So why this smile? Wetin happen? I don't win a lot. God do win. Talk now. Wetin happen, babe? I don't win jackpot. I don't buy her. Wait, so you say you don't kill her? You tell Bruno about her.
Wetin I dey tell her for? I buy person wife. I go call and tell and say I buy him wife. When he never pay me. Well, 2 more to go.
Who you want kill this time?
And Papa and Mama.
Wait. That's you go kill the girl. Can't kill the Papa and Mama join. I don't understand, babe.
I'll still collect money join.
I don't support this one.
Papa, what do you mean?
I don't support this one.
So you like as I dey here with you? You know as Bruno come back Nigeria, now me suppose dey for that house. I suppose don't come up for this ashawo work now, close to door. But my door still open. You like him? You like him?
I don't like her.
Wetin you come dey talk? No sir, they take amazing with you because you be my girl, but nothing dey this your brain. Now I'm full.
Oh, baby girl, you. Why they hit me like that now?
It's because you dey talk rubbish.
I beg, make I carry this drink first. Calm my head, cause this no hit me like that again.
So you know say I suppose break that boy wella. I suppose use something break him. But if I break him, he go pain and pass the one way don't do me. I don't kill him wife. I go collect the money. I go still kill him Papa and him Mama. If he talk too much, I go kill and join.
Babe, is you just buy that again. Won't buy the parents joint. You're a hacker.
Wetin up? Wetin happen? Wetin happen now? I dey come. Where would they go? My boys dey come. Ayana, Moko downstairs. No one is here. I'm surprised because they said they were here. I'm not. What's happening now? Let me call you. Right, come.
Hold it there. Hold it. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Your hands in the air.
What did we do now? What did we do? What happened?
You are under arrest for
You will rot in jail as less human being. Officers, sir. Move these vagabonds. Move!
To where?
Move them! I said move!
Officer, don't touch me.
Move!
You're not a female officer, don't touch me. What happened, Oga?
Should I help them? Should I help them?
Move! Move!
Police, put the case up. I said move! Move!
My love, thank you. Thank you for coming to my rescue. I don't know what I would have done without you.
I will never let anything bad happen to you.
I love you.
Come here.
So, there is something I want to tell you.
Which is?
While I was with the kidnappers, I discovered something. Something exciting though. I am pregnant.
Are you serious? Come here. Wow. This is good news. This is blessed news. You're pregnant.
I am, baby.
Listen. It's gonna be a baby boy.
Agreed.
Secondly, no one must hear or know about this.
Okay.
Finally, from now onwards, don't do anything in this house. I will be taking care of the house chores from now, okay?
But I'll be doing one particular duty.
Which one?
The one in bed.
I'm not going here. Wow.
Blessed.
Come here.
Mama.
You are back.
I'm back.
Hey, Nemo, thank God. Hey, thank God. Oh, no, but my daughter is back. Oh, my daughter is back. Oh, my word, oh, my word,
Hey! Rosa! Hey! You're welcome back.
Hey, thank God. I don't want to know what happened. The joy of seeing you is okay for me.
You're welcome back.
Thank you, Uncle.
Who is that idiot that will kidnap you
My own
without
daughter.
God punishing that person?
Oh, I know. It's because of money you came. There is no money for you.
Welcome.
Hey.
Any money you came with, keep it inside. I will be the one to give them what they deserve.
No, we are not asking for money. I want to thank God for her return.
I'm very happy
that
you're back.
Hey!
Let's go inside.
What a miracle.
Yes, I'll get
What a miracle.
Have a seat. Where have a seat, man? Oh, but I'm not. They kidnap. I kidnap. What for him now? I kidnap Pogo. If you, the boogie, but when you got Lotta, and what the way go? Yeah, Lotta. Hey! Hey!
Miracle. What a miracle.
God, thank you.
Papa, why I'm here is because I heard my wife has been released. But your son chose to retain her in his house. Please, Papa. Tell your son to release my wife for me. Please, I'm begging. Please.
Zimako, do you want us to start this matter all over again? After what your mother went through because of the same matter?
Papa, it is not my fault though. And what of course is my fault? Yes, talk to your son.
I don't get it. Why do you choose to make trouble over a woman that does not even love you?
What? Don't say that again. Don't say that again, Papa. I don't like it. How did you know that she does not love me? Huh? Betty loves me and I love her back. She is my life. I cannot do anything without Betty. Yes. So please, tell your son to release my wife for me. Please. Please.
What if this woman in question is already carrying your brother's child?
And what if I'm the one responsible for the pregnancy? Maybe she took in before your son kidnapped her from me.
You cannot be. You don't have that right. Wow. The only one who can lay claims on that baby is the man that paid her bride price. And that is your brother, not you.
Papa, listen, I don't like talking too much. Call your son, tell him to come back here so that we can settle this once and for all. Period. I've said my own. I don't like talking too much. Please.
Finally, I'm pregnant. I need to settle with him. He has to forget about me and move on with his life.
I know I've made a mistake, but there is no going back on this. I just wish you will understand.
Yeah, who's this?
Hi, it's me, Betty.
Oh, baby. Baby, how are you? Where have you been? My love, I've missed you so much. Why have you decided to treat me like this, Kid John Maggie? You know I love you so much. Baby, I love you with all my heart.
Zim, I need you to listen to me. There is something I want to tell you.
Listen, baby. The only thing I want to hear now is that you're back to me. That's all I want to hear. I love you, and I'm always there for you.
Zim, please. I need you to move on. Okay, I'm with your brother now. I'm married. Just forget about me and move on.
Baby, listen, I know it's not your fault, huh? Yeah, I know it's my brother's charm that is controlling you. I'm not surprised. Okay, I understand, don't worry.
Zim, there is nothing like that. There's nothing like that. I am a married woman now. Look, you're going to find a woman who is better than me. A perfect woman. Trust me, just go out there and look for someone who is more beautiful, more intelligent, more gorgeous than me. I'm sure you will find. I'm sorry, but it's over. Bye, Zim.
Hello? Hello, baby. Hello?
What is it? Zimako, stop crying. What is it?
Zimako, what is it?
I love Betty so much. I didn't know that she was with her right senses. I was thinking that it's my brother that charmed you. Remind you that Betty.
It's okay.
It's
okay. Stop crying now. Can you listen to me? Can you listen to me? Zimako, don't worry.
Mama, you know how much I love it.
I know, but there are so many women out there. And I believe God is going to bless you.
I love Betty with all my life. I can't move on. I can't move on. I can't
Zimako!
Heart of me.
Zimako! Where are you going to? Zimako! Come back! Zimako!
Where is he going?
I don't know.
Did anything happen?
Nothing happened though. He was at the backyard crying and lamenting. All of a sudden, he goes out and with anger.
Let my son not run mad because of a woman.
Amakwamo, what is all this?
I'm tired. I'm tired of all this. Mama, should I run after him?
No. You don't need to.
I am tired. No, you're not saying anything. Eh?
God is watching. Heart of me is evil. Open the madu, you may be single. Betrayer everywhere. Betrayer of trust. Betrayer. Betrayer of trust. Betrayer of trust. We touch remorse. Wickedness, selfishness has rooted its roots. Wickedness, selfishness has rooted its roots. Heart of me is evil. Open the madu, you may be single. Betrayer everywhere. Betrayer of trust. Betrayer. Betrayer of trust. We touch
Bruno! Bruno!
Yeah.
Ah.
Zimmy, there of course. Are you here to shout like you always do? I hope you're not here to fight because if I arrest you this time around, you will not come back. Maybe sit.
I'm here to see the both of you.
Feel free.
I'm here to apologize. I know I've messed up by fighting my own senior brother over a woman who does not value my love. Please, I am sorry. Finally, please see your heart to forgive me. I am sorry.
Zimako.
Brother?
The bias in you were one day. I don't know. You are my baby brother. I tagged all you did to youthful exuberance. Yes. And now that you have apologized, I believe you are back to your senses. So I have forgiven you. I have no grudge against you. I have forgiven you. Yeah. It's left for my wife here to do the same. As for me, we're good, bro. Sit.
No. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Zim, I'm sorry. Okay, I am deeply sorry for everything. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me, okay?
Yes.
Let bygone be bygone. I don't know what to say. The only thing I can say is let God judge. Thank you. Please, let me take my leave now.
Easy, okay, no problem. One more thing.
Okay, I have your account number. I will send you some cash, maybe 10 or 20 million.
Baby, are you sure he is going to forgive me?
Why not? You did nothing wrong, okay? As a woman, you're supposed to settle where favors you. So you are designed that way, so you did nothing wrong. You have never chose a wrong.
Officer, you're welcome.
Okay, you're welcome. You are Obina's father, right?
Yes, I am.
I am Sergeant Imwa from Sister ID.
You're welcome.
Your son is a criminal.
Hey, officer, criminal?
Yes. We have gotten a lot of complaint about him. Please, tell him to come out and for arrest.
Officer, you can see I just came into...
I don't want you to be involved. Better ask him to come out. Or...
Hey, no. I'll go and bring him out.
Better do that.
But to find out first, because I've not seen him. Let me see whether he's inside.
Better do that.
Obina! Obina!
Hey, stop there. Come on. If you try, I will just finish you. Come down. Try, I will just finish you. And your hands on the air. Your hands on the air, Oga. You think you're smart. Oh yeah. Face what you do. Face what? Come on.
I see it. Father, you can visit him.
Oh yes, how are you?
I'm fine.
Beautiful. They're your kids?
Yes, sir.
Say good afternoon to Father.
Wow.
Say hi.
How are you? Shake me. You're blessed, huh?
You know, Father Zim, cake is a dumbass. Without your shouting. Oh, now, man! In the name of the Father! How do you know?
I will not shout again, huh? Yeah. I'm now a changed person, huh?
Wow,
Yes.
Wow. How are you? I'm fine, sir. Beautiful. Amen and amen.
Welcome, Father.
Artisan and skit, he won't come shoot. So he don't repent. Amen. Pay your tithe. But I don't get money. But I was moved.
Some people move,
Hey!
move out of track with their lifestyles. Some people move out of track. They choose life that is not good. Some people move out of track. Some of the things we experience today are not ordinary. Be sensitive to know when you are moving out of track of destiny. Cause all that glitters is not gold. It's not gold at all. Beauty has ugly side. Beauty has ugly side. All that glitters is not gold. Don't allow situation. Beauty has ugly side to choose for